आई एम अनामिका मौर्य। वेलकम टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की वीडियो में मैं इंग्लिश की एग्जाम में आने वाले पोइट्री की ऐसे सेंट्रल आइडिया लेके आई हूँ जो आपके पेपर में 100% जरूर आएगा। तो आपसे अनुरोध है कि वीडियो को लास्ट तक जरूर देखिए। चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। सेंट्रल आइडिया ऑफ द पोयम। The poem is a product of the poet's disappointments and failures in life. The youth of the poet have defeated him, and he is now incapable of enjoying the pleasures afforded by life and nature. Every word of the poem is charged with an indescribable feeling of regret and disappointment. He imagined that he is standing on the last steps of time. He looks at his past life with a faint heart and felt that his future days are numbered in this world. He regretted that this youthful vigor and joy of life will not his grief. Question first. O world, O life, O time, on whose last steps I climb, traveling at that where I had stood before, when will return the glory of your prime no more, O nevermore. Reference. These lines have been taken from the poem A Lament composed by P.B. Shelley. Context. The poem expresses his feeling of deep gloom, the of old age having come before its time, leads to a cry of despair. Explanation. The poet is in utter despair. He has no desire live more in this world. There was a time when the world was all of attraction for him. However, now that time is over. He is fed off with his life and felt that death is product slowly and surely. He compares his life to a leader. The poet imagines himself to be standing on it to a leader that the period allotted to him is coming to a close. He is frustrating, and the thought of the troubles and against which the poet had fought so bravely in the he is very disappointed and regret that the freshness and in life and its varied. Question second. Out of that day and night, a joy has taken flight, fresh spring and summer and brighter our move may faint heart with grief, but we delight no more, O nevermore. Reference. These lines have been taken from the poem Warnings of Element composed by P.B. Shelley. Context. In this stanza, the poet is feeling sad and disappointed. He is incapable of enjoying the beauty of nature. Explanation. The poet's days and nights are dull and joyless. They have become cheerless to him. The beauties of the nature, such as the bloom spring, the many summer, or a Foggy winter give him no joy. The beauty of nature which used to fill him with joy in the past now only ideas to his sorrow and disappointment instead of standing a there of delight into his heart. It only instead flies his grief. Question third. His state if kingly thousands at his bidding speed, and posture land often without rest, they also serve who only stand and wait. Reference. These lines have been taken from the poem Element composed by P. Shelley. Context. The poet expresses his complete faith in God. Explanation. The poet realized the supremacy of the God and his will. He is the king at his command. Thousands of angels are running constantly all over the universe. They do not take any rest and travel from one place to another in the service of God.